Citrus-glazed sweet potatoes. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to remove the zest from the clementines or oranges if you prefer to use an orange using a vegetable peeler. You want to remove just the colored part of the skin, avoiding the bitter white pith. Cut the zest into thin matchsticks and set it aside while you juice all of your citrus. I used 3 mandarins, actually clementines in this case, so they are seedless, 1 lime and half a lemon. Add the zest to the bowl of citrus juice and then add a bit of brown sugar and spices. That would be salt, pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved, and then set the juice mixture aside. Using a vegetable peeler, peel your sweet potatoes and then cut them into thick slices. The original recipe called for 1-inch slices, but mine ended up being between 1/2 and 3/4 inch. Add the sliced sweet potatoes to the bowl of citrus juice, sugar, and spices, and give everything a good stir so that your sweet potatoes are coated with the juice mixture. Transfer everything to a shallow glass or ceramic baking dish and then dot with butter. Bake in a 375-degree oven, stirring every 20 to 30 minutes until the sweet potatoes are deep golden brown and tender. That juice mixture will thicken and become syrupy, and the frequent stirring will help your sweet potatoes cook evenly. Bake, stir, repeat until your sweet potatoes are tender enough that there is no resistance when pierced with the tip of a sharp knife. This could take anywhere from 1 hour to 2 hours depending on how thick you slice the sweet potatoes. Let them cool for 10 minutes and then they're ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.